Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page in React.js in 2024, of course, for beginners. So today we are going to go in through the steps, of course, of creating a login page in React.js. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and will help you understand the basics of React components and state management also. So follow along as we build a simple yet effective login page in React.js. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and set up a new React application. We can, of course, simply open your terminal or command prompt and run the following like command to create a new React app using React app. So as example, if we go here and open our terminal, and simply we will have to type the following, so which is going to be npx space create and then app space login, so cd login page, then after all just type npm space start, so sorry, space start. Of course, don't mind like those things in here, it's not going to work for me, but I just show you like what you should write to create and your React app. For me, of course, I'll use some compilers online. For you, of course, you can do it on your terminal. And of course, first of all, if you don't know nothing about React.js, we can simply use ChatGPT. So, for example, I'll just go here to this URL section, subchat.openai.com, and hit the enter button. This should take me right away into ChatGPT. And here, as an example, so if it's your first time, you'll be basically taken to this page. It's the same page, but you'll find here a sign up and login option. Make sure to sign up so you can keep your example options or your chats, like previous chats, for example. Just type test here. As you can see, it will answer me. But as you can see, this chat, if I refresh the page, will not be there anymore. But if you log in into your account or create an account, you will have previous chats in there. So make sure to go in here and click on sign up if you don't have an account, and sign up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. And you can use that to log in or even create an account if you don't want to go through all the board steps of filling up your information alone. So once you do so, you'll find yourself here. So you can use this ChatGPT. First of all, of course, and type whatever you want in here. So, for example, I'll just type I wanna create a login page using React.js. As simple as that. Oh, sorry. So React.js, and make sure to explain everything. Because, as an example, because I am new, I am still a beginner. As simple as that. So I'll just go and type that. As you can see, creating a login page. So as we said before, you'll have to go and set up your React app, and you'll have to follow the following, which is, as you can see, the same. So npx creates React app, space, of course, login page, and then go to that login page with cd command, and simply enpm starts, and this will create a new React application and start the development server. Then you'll need to go and create the login component. As you can see, creates a login component called login.js and the src directory, and this component will contain the login form. And of course, to try those out, we'll just go here and open a new tab, just type React.js compiler, and as example, open those two, and simply I'll use them both to try things out. So this one seems like you'll need to log in into your account. I'm not going to use it. What about this one? Okay, accept the cookies. Yeah, so this one, as example, you don't need to. Of course, you can even use like your terminal to try everything out. You don't have to do that, and you can even also try, or I guess, visual like Code Studio. I don't know if it will work there, but I guess it's work, so you can try that out also. And yeah, as an example, let me even open this one to try it out. So yeah, so here's an example creating the login component. As we said, so first of all, there's the code. All you need to do, just go and copy that code, and simply styling the login component. You can add some basic styles to make your login form look better, and it creates, an example, a login CSS file and the source directory. They'll show you how. Then import this CSS file into your login, as example, using the login components, handling authentication, and summary, as example, for everything. So you don't have basically to do nothing. So all you need to do here, I'll just go and try. Okay, so this is the same thing. And I guess this one, the one that I used to open, but let me just go and see. Yeah, I guess this one that I used to use. So I'll just go here and enter that. Of course, make sure to choose here React.js. And all you need to do once you finish this code as example, just hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button as example, you'll find here your login page. So if you go here full screen, of course, you'll find your login page. You can type things on it. You'll find this login option. And as you can see, there is nothing like on it. Of course, you can make or add a lot of other things as ChatGPT here told us. So if you want to like style the login components, you can simply just copy this code and enter it right here. So of course, I'll just close those things out. So I'll just use this one. So example here, you can paste this instead. Okay, something went wrong. So, sorry, I had to add this with the code. So I guess I should add this here, maybe. Okay, wait, let me just see where to add it exactly. So if you add something like wrong, as you can see, everything like if you add just one letter, as you can see, something went wrong. So you'll have to fix your problem. And let's see as example. So you can add this. So basically, if you don't know how, I'll just go and I wanna style example. So style my login page. I am as example, I am using an online compiler and see as example how to do it. So let's see. He's writing a new code with everything like on it, I guess. I'll just go and copy that and try it out. Why not? Let's see. Oh, something went wrong. Wait. So let me just go back to this one. As an example, go back to ChatGPT. So give me as example just one code to paste it there. As example, let's say I'm total beginner, I know nothing. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us. All I need to do is wait for the code until it's finished. And I should be good to go. So yeah, as you can see, so I'll just go here and click on copy code. Try to paste it here. Okay, something went wrong. But now still something is not good. So add this CSS in the same file for convenience, of course, for off style. It's about now. Okay. Okay, yeah, this should be like the comments. I should not fix that or change that. So at least like there's a login page, first of all, about like style and customization. It seems like I'm not good enough to do it. So at least we created a login page. I guess that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.